back at the front door, in the family room, coming towards the fireplace.
Fireplace TV.
Okay, and the floors are really nice cherry wood. And then here's the dining room, which really has a great view, I should mention. We'll go show you the view up the lake. We're into the cove. And then,
They've already taken it down.
I think they changed that out, didn't they? And then
They've already
here's the
changed it.
kitchen, which is kind of neat too. So with a table, oh look, they've got the fireplace going, that's cool. Here's the kitchen with an Allen stove. Strange thing, I think, known as a refrigerator. There's the front door of the driveway. And then recliners. Let's see, there's the fireplace. And this is the little family room. It's not very big, but it's kind of neat because it has a great view of the lake.
That's great.
And, you know, kind of a good place to hang out. And it's right there off the kitchen. So that's it.